Most people think bananas are the perfect healthy breakfast. But eating them on an empty stomach might actually be harming your digestion and your energy levels. Let me explain why doctors are warning about this. Number 1. Why bananas on an empty stomach can be a problem. Bananas are rich in natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. While these sugars give quick energy, eating them on an empty stomach causes your blood sugar to spike very fast, especially if you have prediabetes or diabetes, a common issue in the USA and Europe. Doctors also explain that bananas increase the release of magnesium, which can temporarily put stress on your stomach when there's no other food present. Number 2. They can cause digestion discomfort. For many people, eating bananas alone first thing in the morning leads to bloating, gas, stomach discomfort, mild acidity. This happens because bananas release natural sugars quickly and may increase fermentation in the gut when there is no fiber from other foods to balance it. Number 3. Bananas increase acidity. When eaten alone, while bananas are generally alkaline, when eaten on an empty stomach they can temporarily increase stomach acid. This may cause heartburn, acidity, burping, discomfort after breakfast. This is especially common among people with GERD, gastritis, or acid reflux, which affects millions in the USA and Europe. Number 4. They may make you feel sleepy or tired. Bananas contain high levels of tryptophan, which helps your brain produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. But when eaten alone, tryptophan enters the bloodstream too quickly, making you feel sleepy, low energy, unfocused. This is why many people feel tired after eating just a banana in the morning. Number 5. Doctors recommend eating bananas this way instead. Doctors and dietitians note that bananas are very healthy, but how you eat them matters. Instead of eating them on an empty stomach, combine them with protein or healthy fats. Examples: banana plus Greek yogurt, banana plus peanut butter, banana plus oatmeal, banana plus chia seed pudding. This slows the sugar release, improves digestion, and keeps your energy stable for longer. Number 6. Who should strictly avoid bananas on empty stomach? People with diabetes, people with prediabetes, people who often feel acidity, people with stomach sensitivity, people who frequently feel bloated or gassy. For these groups, bananas should be part of a balanced meal, not eaten alone. Number 7. The healthy time to eat bananas, doctors suggest. After breakfast, before workout, as part of a smoothie with fiber and protein-rich foods. This way you get the potassium, magnesium, vitamins, and energy without side effects.
Bananas are an amazing fruit, but timing matters. Eating them the wrong way can affect your digestion and energy more than you realize. So next time you grab a banana first thing in the morning, think twice. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.